Hey y'all, welcome to Butterfly Baddie, where we create makeup looks using beautiful butterfly colors. Let's do it. Butterfly winner today is the orange tip butterfly. I do not know how to pronounce the real name of this butterfly, so that's what we'll call her. I already moisturized the face, so I'm gonna start out with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this is in the shade dark brown. Alright, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and carve my brows out with the Keep Me Covered Essence Concealer that I am scraping. Stuff is so good. I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use both of these palettes. I think I'm gonna start with the Jaclyn Hill palette first. So going in with the orange, we're just gonna go in with like a burnt orange just at the top. A little nervous, only because I'm making it do what it do with what I got. Okay, I don't have an orange, so I'm trying to work with some colors. I'll see how this gonna turn out. I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner with just a little bit of brown here in like the outer corner. Give me a little zhuzh on the end, if you will. I do have like this pretty orange like glitter color that I think I'm gonna do on the lid. Let's just see how this is pretty. Let me do the other side. All right, so we got the eyes squared away. I'm not mad at it. Y'all already know I need some more primer my face with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This primer is so good. For foundation, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Y'all, I got this foundation for $3.75. Didn't even know if it was my shade. I bought it for the price, and it's a perfect match. Look at the shade. Look at the shade. Contour, I'm going in with my Keep Me Covered by Essence. What shade this is? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. My e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut. Let's go ahead and set the face. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. All right, so for blush, I'm using my NYX Sweet Cheeks. Somebody's hungry. Green and orange in it. We're using it. I don't know. It's kind of eating. NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Espresso to line my lips. All right, so I'm going to take my NYX. This is the Suede Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty. See y'all for the next butterfly.